So I just jumped into a VL turbo.
Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, RB26.
Off.
Turf Z.
Off.
272 cams. HK oil pump, running on E85. 635 at the wheels on 24 pounds.
Oh shit, I did not know that. Holy shit, this is gonna be good.
Stock bottom end, lives the dream.
Does it hook up alright?
It does.
Yeah, it looks up alright.
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
Just loves it, man. Every year comes out,
Yeah.
gets trashed, goes home.
How long you had it for?
12 years. This paint job's 10 years old.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm really loving it. Good job,
Kill it, mate! Fucking kill it, yeah? Have a go, mate! Come on, Mark! I love this car, man! He's a fucking top bloke!
You know, this is
yeah!
it's his first day ever on Barbagallo. He's never been on the track before.
That thing's sick, car! That is sick!
Alright guys, that was bloody amazing. Cheers for that. How fucking good was that? He's been a good passenger. That was crack up.